Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making mushrooms in a ranch butter sauce. So it's a real easy recipe to make and it tastes really good. So what you're going to need in order to make this is 16 ounces. This is 2 packages of mushrooms. These are baby white baby mushrooms or baby white mushrooms. So we got 2 packs of those, and you're gonna need 1 stick of butter and 1 pack of ranch seasoning. And the ranch seasoning you can get with the dressings and the mayonnaise right in that area, usually up at the top shelf. So okay guys, let's get this stuff put together, and real easy to make. You just put it in your crock pot or slow cooker for 3 to 4 hours on low heat, and really good. So let's go see how this all goes, and here we go. I'll see you here shortly with our first step of the melting of the butter and the ranch, getting the ranch sauce ready. Alright, so here we go guys. Okay guys, we are on the stove here, and this is just a little bit of prep work we got. So what we're going to do, we're going to put in our stick of butter and let this butter melt. Alright. There we go. We're going to get this butter and let it melt. So, I'll get it melted around there a little bit. But alright, so shouldn't take too long for this to melt. There you go. Melting pretty quickly right there. About medium heat on that. So now as we're getting this butter to melt, there we go. That'll be good enough right there. So now we just open up our ranch pack. And we're just gonna put that in there. So okay, and give that a good stir, get it good mixed in there. Alright, so there we go. As long as it's melted and mixed in there, that's all you need. It don't matter if there's a little bit of chunks of the butter still in there, but it's pretty much got it. So now that we got that, we're going to go on to our next step, which is getting the mushrooms and the sauce in the crock pot. So let's go ahead and do that, guys. Okay guys, now for our next step here is we got the crock pot on. We're got to set on low. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rinse and just get all the dirt and stuff off the mushrooms, and then we're going to put them in the crock pot once they are cleaned up. So okay, then the next thing we're going to do is just pour the ranch butter onto the mushrooms. And let's get that all cleaned out here. We're going to give this a stir. Get it good and coated. Alright. Now, here's the easy part. Is we put the lid back on and we wait 3 to 4 hours on low heat, and then we can enjoy the mushrooms. So I'll see you in 3 to 4 hours, and I'll probably go more than 4 hours on this time. So okay, so I'm gonna let this these heat up and cook, and in 4 hours it would be good, delicious, something to eat. Okay guys, let's get this a good stir. Get all those mushrooms coated with the ranch butter. And boy, it looks good, smells good. Alright, now all the moisture has come out of the mushrooms and made the sauce come out thinner. So look at that, that looks so good. So let's go ahead and dip this out in a bowl. Alright, there you go, look at that. That looks good, smells really good. So we'll go ahead and set this back on here, and now I'm gonna go ahead here and give this a little bit of a try. So here we go guys. Boy, I could eat this whole thing. Okay guys, well this is the mushrooms and a ranch butter sauce. So as you can see, it's a real simple recipe. You just prepare your ranch butter and the mushrooms, put it in the slow cooker, crock pot, for 3 to 4 hours, and I did this in 4 hours, and they turned out great. Nice, still nice, tender, and oh, they taste so good guys. Alright, well well guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel to catch other cooking videos like this. I also do some sightseeing and adventure videos as well, and sometimes some taste test sprinkled in there as well. So okay guys, well I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this day, and I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to enjoy the rest of these mushrooms.